Hey there, Aries. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. This is your day 15th reading of July. It's a daily reading and it will be a general reading. Please take what resonates you and leave the rest. Let's start your reading for the day 15th of July. It will be in three parts. First, first part of the day, middle part of the day, and the last part of the day. First part of the day you are having Ace of Wand and the Hermit. Hermit is for your middle of the day. Let's see what is the last part of the day. Okay. Seven of Swords. Underneath the deck you are having Eight of Wands. So definitely some kind of communication or some kind of action you are taking in the first part of the day, like in morning. So maybe some new passion you are feeling for someone, or maybe some kind of new idea is coming in your mind about your project which is you have started uh, recently, or you are going to start some on new project in today. So it will be very passionate or very action taking project. You need to put a lot of action in this project, or if it's a relationship, so you need to put your a lot of efforts and you need to communicate a lot, and then this passion will ignite properly. So this can be a passionate new beginning with someone. Like in morning you will feel some very passionate and action oriented. So or maybe it's a new idea which is coming in your mind in morning time, or in the first part of the day, about new career or new project. So in the middle of the day you are in a hermit mood. Maybe whatever this idea is, you wanted to uh, think properly and think wisely about it. It's a If it's a passion for someone, or you are taking a lot of action about regarding this, so you will stop yourself and you will think before taking some action. So you want to think deeply and wisely, then you want to take an action on a wise like a wise decision. So you are just trying to find out all the pros and cons, if you are going to start this project, or if you are going to show your passion to that person which is igniting within you in the day, in the start of the day. Because you are thinking, if it's a past person, you want to think more about this person, because you feel that this person may not a trustworthy person, or may this project will not a trustworthy in regard of money and finances. So in the last part of the day you are maybe working uh, behind the scene or secretively on this project, or you are trying to make a strategy on your mind about this project or this person. Or maybe you are thinking that this person is lying to you, if this person is trying to ignite new passion inside you in the morning time, the first half of the day. So you think that this is not worthy, or worthy to trust. This person is not worthy to trust. So some kind of sneaky thing will bother you in last part of the day, or it can be happen, or maybe you are doing something secretively. Maybe you are trying to talk this person secretively, or you are trying to make a strategy within your in your mind, like you are not telling it to other right now. So a lot of action is required, and things are starting rapidly in first part of the day. Then you will slow down, and you will not trust on that person, or this or you will not trust on that idea, that this idea is not the worth taking for. So maybe someone is trying to take advantage of you in first of the half of the day, to take your it's like one night stand kind of situations. So you will not involve in this situation anymore, in the as you go in the last part of the day. So Aries, that was your reading for the 15th of July. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in the comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.